So, Wayxin has come out with a new intercom system. This is their M910 Pro, and what this unit is supposed to do is it is a mesh system where you can actually communicate with 6 riders, and everybody can talk at the same time. It's not just a one-to-one. It is the whole group can talk to each other. This unit, for that to work, everybody has to have an M910 Pro. They are about $100 or so online, and it's a lot cheaper than a lot of the other brands. A couple things I've noticed that's different about this versus the R6S, which is what I had before. So the M910 Pro, it doesn't cut off the music when the intercom is engaged. So when you're talking to your other riders, you can actually continue to hear your music. You can continue to hear the GPS. That's actually a really neat feature. Now, the R6S can still connect to an M910 Pro, but it will not be able to do mesh. So you'll only have one rider at a time that you can communicate with. So if you're actually using the universal pairing, you won't be able to use the mesh. So it's kind of pick one or the other. The headphones, the actual speakers in the M910 Pro seem heavier, and I would expect that they would sound better. But there seems to be a little bit of a weird EQ in the M910 Pro. So what I ended up doing is just EQing it at my phone, and that got it to sound much better. So hopefully that's something that changes in the future. But as of right now, I was just able to kind of deal with it through my phone and make that adjustment. Otherwise, the sound quality is decent. I'll give you a sample of that later in the video, and I'll show you how it all works and what's in the box, and we'll give it a go. So this is Wayxin's new M910 Pro. This is a mesh intercom system. Let's open it up. So inside we have the manual. This is a very nice and well printed manual. This is the intercom itself. Has buttons on the top. And there's a button, there's a button. And USB is on the back. And headphone connector is also on the back. Comes with the mount. Looks like it has the adhesive on the back, and there's the other half of the clip. Some double stick tape, the boom mic holder, that fun stuff. Looks like another cover to replace the blue. And here we have the speakers and our microphone. Oh, and there is the boom mic underneath. Comes with USB-C cable. And that is the contents. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to pair the M910 Pro to a R6S. So we're going to turn them both on.
Battery life 30%.
Alright, to put the R6S into pairing mode, you press and hold any of the channels. So we've got 4 channels, B, C, D, and E. We're going to press and hold B.
Pairing.
Okay, that's going into pairing mode. On the M910, we're going to push and hold. Now we're going to tell the M910 to go find a friend.
Intercom connect.
Okay, now, woo! And they're connected. And that is how that works. Just don't have the mics too close to the speakers, and you're ready to ride. Again, to initiate a conversation, you just press the button,
Intercom connect.
and they start talking to each other. And when you're done talking, press that same button again, and kick it off. That's it. So that's how that works. Now let's move on to the manual. So I'm going to go through here and let you kind of thumb through the manual. So if for any reason you lose yours, you can read this, and I'll make some commentary. So the unit itself is extremely easy to use. There's only 4 buttons on it. Volume up and down is on the top. The actual phone control, where you answer your calls, pause, play, that's that big button on the back of the unit, or kind of on the front, but the one off to the right. And then the smaller button on the left of the front of the unit is your intercom button. That's your intercom controls that lets you listen to and talk to other riders. It's a really easy to use unit. At this price point, you just cannot beat it. The closest units that can do what this unit does are north of $200. So I highly recommend it. Check it out, and thanks for watching.